Game 450, Physics for Game Developers. I added a thruster system on the bird for Angry Birds, and I made a lunar lander simulation. Let me bring it up real fast. So it's got 3 thrusters, one that will propel it upwards, one that will tilt it to the right, and one that will tilt it to the left. And when it collides with the block, it will actually indicate if it was a soft collision, a medium, or a hard collision. So right there, soft landing, soft landing, soft landing, and then it hit it hard, I know. Every single landing, every single time it bounces, it does that. That was a really terrible landing. Let me see if I can try that again. So if I just land it let me land it real hard. So if I land it real hard, it's a hard landing right there. It was over 10. If it's over 10, it's hard. If it's between 10 and 1, it's medium. And if it's less than 1, it's soft. That's what I have right now. And so that's pretty much it. And it has a, let me show you the code. So I cleaned up the code. There's no global variables. Everything's object-oriented. Everything is, there's no memory leaks. Everything's, there's news and deletes. I'm using the observer pattern for my control object. Whenever you hit the left key, the right key, or the down key, that controls the right thrust and down, or right, left, and down thrusters. These are observers, and these are in the bird object. Or they talk to the bird object. They talk to activate left, right, and bottom thruster just through the observer pattern. So it's real simple. And what it does is it enables the sprite so you can actually see it. And then it either provides an angular impulse or a linear impulse to the bird. And that's really all it does. Another thing I did, I added an angular damping to the bird. That way it doesn't spin out of control when you provide a angular inertia to the bird. So, and then on the contact listener, I added something similar from one of the examples. It's just I'm taking the normal impulse and I'm determining what kind of landing it is. And that's really it. That's the homework assignment. So really wasn't all that hard. So as far as the Angry Birds game's concerned, I haven't gotten a whole lot to show yet. I'll have something to show on that next homework assignment.